The Supreme Court ruling on former President Trump's presidential immunity case. Justices ruling that former presidents have immunity, at least in some facets. This effectively extending the delay in the criminal case against the former president on the charges by special counsel Jack Smith that he plotted to overturn the 2020 election, which means the timeline just gets extended. We will not see this case anytime before the November presidential election. At least that's what all of the experts we've talked to have predicted. Justices have now ordered a lower court in Washington, D.C. to decide how to apply SCOTUS's decision to this case, rather than the Supreme Court actually issuing a ruling directly themselves. And we have team coverage, as we have all morning. We follow reaction from both the Trump team and from the White House. Let's start with NewsNation's Brooke Schaefer. She is at the former president's Mar-a-Lago resort in Palm Beach, Florida. Has the former president, Brooke, reacted to this ruling yet on Truth Social or X or anywhere else?
Some very quick reaction, Adrian, from former President Donald Trump and some members of his team. The former president really posting on Truth Social within minutes of this ruling coming down, Adrian, writing, quote, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." The former president, we were told by sources, waited for this ruling here at his Florida home, Mar-a-Lago. He'll head to New Jersey tonight. This morning, though, actually in a radio interview before this ruling came down, Mr. Trump said that he thought this ruling would actually have a bigger impact on President Joe Biden. Over the weekend as well, the former president talking about this ruling as we were watching and waiting for it, writing, quote, that this would be an important decision that could affect the success or failure, he said, of our country for decades to come. We know that the Trump team already fundraising off of this ruling this morning. As a source close to Trump's legal team tells us, they are considering today's ruling a major win. Adrian?
All right. Thank you very much. NewsNation's Brooke Schaefer live from Palm Beach, Florida this morning.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.